Hi and welcome to Motorcycles UK. Today I'd like to show a short video about this amazing Aprilia Tuono 1100 V4 factory. Here we have an Aprilia Tuono V4 1100 factory. This is a 2021 bike on a 21 plate with just 2,576 miles, 2 owners from new and a full service history. This bike is in excellent condition, and while we say it is on a 21 plate, it actually has a private plate which comes with the bike, and it's YHZ 4273, so that's quite a nice touch. You've got the carbon fibre official Aprilia Racing Akrapovic silencer there, which sounds absolutely awesome. The rear wheel is in excellent condition with no dings, dents, scuffs, scrapes or scratches, and the rear tyre has bags of life left on it, albeit not loads of tread, being very much a super sport tyre, but what tread there is has bags of depth left. The swing arm is all in great condition as well, and you've got the Öhlins rear shock there again, which is in excellent condition. Absolutely nothing to apologise for on this bike. You've got the rear seat fitted as well as the rear pegs. We do have the seat cowl as well, and we do have the standard exhaust as well. The red seat there's no rips, tears, staining or scuffs of any kind on there, and the petrol tank is in excellent condition, and you've got those tank pads on the side and the back of the tank. The bar end, no damage to the bar end, all the alloy lever, and the mirror is in good condition as well. All the fairing in excellent nick there, as you can see as we come down the bike. Absolutely superb. No damage on the engine or any of the bodywork there at all, or the frame. As you can see, you've got those Öhlins front suspension units as well, which again are in excellent condition. And the front wheel, again, no dings, dents, scuffs, scrapes or scratches. Front tyre, bags of life left in that one as well. Mud guards all in good condition. And the front of the bike, there's no stone chips, no sign of being ridden in a pack and having stones thrown up at it at all. You've got that tinted screen there as well, all again in excellent nick. The left hand side of the bike, that's in fantastic condition as well. There's no damage to the mirror, lever or the bar end on this left hand side, and the fairing, as you can see there, all in excellent condition. Front wheel again on this side, no dings, dents, scuffs, scrapes or scratches, and the front fork on the left side all good. Of course, you've got the up and down quick shifter on this bike as well. It's traction control, wheelie control, race ABS, cruise control as well. All the bodywork and the seat all in excellent condition there. As we come down here to the bottom, the swinging arm absolutely pristine, no marks on the foot peg, all the lever there, and the Öhlins shock just tucked in there in great condition. No marks on the end of that passenger foot peg. So as we said, no rips or tears in the seats, and the petrol tank in good condition. Got those tank pads there on the side and the back. Full colour dash, of course. All your controls for everything this amazing bike does on that handlebar there as well. So if you are looking for one of the best super naked motorcycles money can buy, look no further than this stunning Aprilia Tuono V4 1100 factory. So let's fire this one up and have a listen. Here at Motorcycles UK, all our bikes come on a current MOT, a service if required by the motorcycle at time of sale, and a thorough safety inspection. We're also delighted to be able to offer nationwide delivery. Please contact us for a quote. If you're interested in this amazing Aprilia, then please do get in touch, either by phone or via the website. I'd be delighted to take your inquiry. If you've enjoyed this video, please remember to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We'd really appreciate that. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon.